Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Styx Blades of Greed game not launching or won't start not opening error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Remember, this is an important step, so don't mess it out. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Now here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Now go to the browse section. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select this run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. But if the error still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. But if the issue continues again, come back, uncheck and remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After updating your graphics drivers, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here, click on the link to download. After the link is downloaded, you have to open it and it will get repair or install option. Click on it. Wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC once and after restarting, again log into the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Wait for some time unless it checks if any update is available, and after updating your Windows, launch the game and then try to play the game. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Now here you have to click on services tab, select all, click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Here also select the app and then click on disable all. After doing this, go back, click on OK and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are of running in the background without any use, you simply have to select it. After selecting, right click on it, click on end a task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. And after that, click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here you have to click on the arrow icon, and on the GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Styx Blades of Greed game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and again reinstall Styx Blades of Greed game and click on the play button to check whether you can play it or the game is launching or not.